Hi, welcome to Aguas Vivas Creative Real Estate Buyers. We're here in our renovation project at 1575 River Street in Hyde Park, Massachusetts. One of the things that we have new going on here is actually our marketing sign. We're already getting calls back and forward from this sign that we put up together in order to start getting phone calls from potential buyers in this area. Follow me so I can show you the rest of the house. I want to say special thanks to the founders of this project. It's Conquest Capital Partners. I want to say hi to my dear friends Ryan Gattos and also Hussein down there at Conquest Capital Partners. Follow me, Jay. Most of the lot right now is totally clean. Okay, we have this side clean, and also we have the other side of the house is also clean. Basically, what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be doing beautiful landscaping to give some beautiful curb appeal to the property, but for right now it's just going to be as it is. Follow me. Well, so basically entering the house right now, as you can see, we have the new railings going in here on the front porch up to code. Finally they're up to code, so there is no issues with that now. They just gotta be painted and touch up to make the front of the house very, very beautiful. Once you step inside the house, as you can see, now we're stepping inside the house. Everything in this house is totally brand new. I'll say that this is gonna be like pretty much a brand new house when it's finally done. Walking in here to the left, this is what I call bedroom number one. As you can see, all these wires, all the electricity going on, all the wires are brand new. This is another roll here. As you can see, the ceiling inside this bedroom is also brand new. And here we have, instead of one, we have two closets for this bedroom. We have closet number one, closet number two. And here are our electrical boxes here. And also the power outlets, okay? Brand new floor as well for this bedroom. We gave the brand new floor. Now coming out of this bedroom, we walk into what I call the beautiful open space. Before I forget, let me show you, this is the drain that is going to be coming from the second floor bathroom all the way down into the basement. This is not going to be visible once the house is complete, but it is what it is. It has to go there because there's no other ways that our plumber was able to go around it. So coming into here, this was, when we first bought this house, this section was very, very claustrophobic because the way it was set up. Now, as you can see, it's giving you a very open space concept, which is pretty much what we're aiming for. We finally got up our staircase. It was kind of challenging between the back and forward between the architect, the general contractor, and myself, but we finally got it done. So here's our brand new staircase. I'm standing right now where this is gonna be the living room, okay? So all this space is gonna be for the living room, and then we can step up to what is gonna be the dining room. So basically, pretty much this is going to be where our dining room is going to be. The idea that we have and we're going to be doing is that we're going to be installing French doors right in this section so that you can open up the French doors. Oh, actually, it's going to be sliders. Yeah, I got it. It's going to be the sliders into a beautiful deck that's going to be on the outside. But right now, I'm standing where it's going to be the dining room. Moving forward, I'm stepping out now to what is going to be our beautiful gourmet kitchen, okay? So here you're going to have a window looking into the backyard, into the beautiful landscape backyard with a sink. And right here is where our peninsula is going to be with a couple pendant lights and a couple stools on the other side, okay? All granite countertops, beautiful finished custom cabinets. In this section, this opening that you guys can see here is where we're going to have our French door refrigerator right here. So you can open your refrigerator, and in this section is going to be your pantry. One of those that you can pull out just like that, and everything is organized for the convenience of the cooking person in this house. This other closet right here is actually not a closet. This is where our half bathroom is going to go. pretty much just a toilet and sink to give the new homeowners another option, another bathroom. This other closet here is actually not a closet. This is space for our stackable washer and dryer. This is where our washer and dryer is going to be, our laundry closet, for the convenience of the new homeowners. Let's go up to the second floor. But one thing I want to show you is all this structure here. Everything has been put up brand new. We have these supporting LVL beams to give support to the house. Also, this one is another supporting column. Plus we have another supporting column right here. This house is going to be rock solid when it's finished. Okay, so coming here now, we just stepped into what's going to be a huge master bedroom. Okay, this master bedroom is going to be sweet. This is going to be a beautiful master suite. Okay, so once you come in here, you're going to have all this space to set up your furniture. Then you're going to have her walk-in closet. Okay, this is for the ladies here. Okay, why? Because it's huge. She's going to be able to walk in here and have all her stuff for herself. Why? Because what I did is I asked my GC to build us another closet here on this side for him. So this is for the guy because he's small, right? Why not? So this one, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I don't know if the light's going to help you to see it, but I'm just stepping into what's going to be the master bathroom. Okay, we're going to finish this bathroom as best as we can in order to give a spa serenity sensation. Okay, don't forget about that. It's going to be a spa serenity sensation for the master bathroom. Follow me. Let me show you real quick the second floor. Alright, so right here we're going up to the second floor, okay, in our brand new built-in staircase, okay. At the top of the staircase, we have behind me what is going to be the full-size bathroom for the second floor, okay. It's going to have a stand-up shower, okay. It's going to stand the shower, toilet, sink, and all the amenities inside a full-size bathroom. If we go here to the left, we come to another of the bedrooms on the second floor. Okay, pretty spacious, as you can see. It's pretty spacious. All this brand new wall framing is going to have what I call a semi-walk-in closet. Why? Because literally you can walk into this closet. All right, so it's pretty spacious. It's going to be very, very well designed. On this section of the bedroom, what we intend to do is to stage it as a, you know, with desk for the kids to have their computer, their television set, their entertainment center, you know, PlayStation, stuff like that. If we walk into the next room here, so basically we have a same copy, same layout of that of the bedroom, same space, the same type of closet, as you can see, pretty spacious, so that they can come in if they want to. And also on this corner, they're gonna have the little table here set up for the computer, their TV, or whatever they wanna do. I hope that you guys like this renovation that we have going on Hyde Park Ave, actually on Hyde Park, 1575 River Street. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 857-574-0404. Don't forget that we're always looking to get more properties, okay? We're always marketing the greater Boston area, and we hope that we can do business together. Don't also forget about our referral program, where we offer $1,000 for every lead that you bring us that we end up buying their house. So if you have a family or friend that needs to sell their house fast, we'll be more than happy to talk to them. And if we end up buying the house, we give you $1,000 just for the introduction. Okay, we hope that you like this video. Have a great day.